Here's how to download apps without Apple ID password on App Store. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on your Apple ID, tap on Media and Purchases, tap on Password Settings. Here select Require after 15 minutes and enable Require Passwords. Tap on Done, tap on Back, tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter here your passcode. Enable iTunes and App Store. Give here your Apple ID password to confirm the settings. And make sure to enable Face ID from here. Now go to your App Store, search for any app, tap on Install. And here you can see the password option has been gone and it's asking to double click the side button to install. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.